southeastern Wayne County, Nash County, Edgecombe County, Wilson County, northeastern Johnston County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dorches to 6 miles southeast of Bailey to 7 miles east of Clayton, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expected damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rocky Mount, Goldsboro, Tarboro, Nashville, Wilson, Elm City, Fremont, Georges, Walnut Creek, and Bailey. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. following counties.